Today we got our jumping Joey, and here we have a jumping Joey. Yes. He's apparently sick, but he doesn't look it. He looks pretty happy. Hi, Cookie. Are you happy in your jumping Joey? Are you a bouncer? Yeah. Bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Very good. I think he's having fun. What do you reckon? How's that face? How's that smile? Oh. Hi. He's a bit excited, and his feet are the funniest, cutest things you'll ever see. He looks like he's doing a bit of a river dance. Direct from Ireland. Raphael. A ver. Show us your bouncing. Bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Come on. Oh, you're the best thing ever. I think we're coming to the end of this tape. Yes. Oh, you're very clever. Look how you've learnt to do that in just a few minutes. Oh. Oops. Oh, too cute. We'll be back to see you later. We'll be back to see you later, gorgeous. One more smile. Choo-choo. Hi. What fun. Ciao.